Hello, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. In today's video, I'm going to go over the code question type from LifterLMS Advanced Quizzes. So let's start out by creating a new quiz here. I will add a new question. We'll add the code question type. So we have the usual here with the question, the description, image, and video. But here you can see the coding language specifically that the site can accept here. I'll do HTML for now to show you what it looks like on the front end. This question type is very straightforward. Let's just save changes here and then view on the front end. Take quiz and start quiz. So as you can see here, I have this HTML field where I can go ahead and start typing. This quiz question is manually graded, so you'll have to go in on the back end and manually grade that. It's a pretty easy question type, but it's pretty niche for specific types of courses looking for code. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for joining me, and feel free to drop any suggestions or videos you want to see in the future down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.